watermelon punch.
Rebecca, have you ever eaten before?
No,
Why?
because I don't like soda.
Really? Hopefully you can enjoy today. What do we need?
We need
Sprite,
milk,
blueberries, and a
watermelon.
So now let's cut it. There are many ways to cut the watermelon. It is how I cut the watermelon. Cut it in half and make thick slices. Okay, and remove the skin. Remove the skin. All right. And Rebecca, can you cut them into bite sizes?
Yes, I can cut it smaller.
Rebecca, do you know what it is?
Yes, it's a melon bar scoop.
Okay, so let's just scoop it out. Let's just scoop it out. Get the watermelon in a big bowl. Okay. Good job. And now pour some Sprite and milk. Pour some milk.
Pour some milk.
And pour some Sprite. Sprite. Here I have some blueberries. You can add your choice of other fruits. Do you want to add other fruits?
Yes,
What do you want?
I want a tangerine.
Tangerine. Okay, so let's add some blueberries here. And you can add some tangerine. You like tangerines?
Yes.
And we have to add
Ice.
cubes. Okay, let's add ice cubes. And serve it in a small glass bowl. Okay, can you serve it? Give me some blueberries. And that's yummy. Thank you. Ooh. Okay, so now let's try it. Okay. I wanna try it. Okay, try it. It is refreshing and delicious. How does it taste?
It's yummy.
Everyone enjoy it. Bye bye.